Joel Chacha from K24 TV. Interior Sieza Kindiki Kithure on Sunday warned that even as Azimio opposes this particular Finance Bill 2023, there should not be an option of going to the streets, as he will not allow that. Perhaps your rejoinder on that.
I think we just need to say that the Constitution is where our rights are entrenched. Our rights are not given by people sitting with donated power in public offices. The rights are God-given and entrenched in the Constitution. We seek no advice from anyone. Azimio is capable of taking its own decisions by looking at our laws and at the circumstances. That's what we would like to advise those who think they have become demigods.
All right. My name is Emmanuel Tor from KTN News. Just a quick question. You put up a very spirited fight yesterday in Parliament, Honorable Piondai, but you could barely manage 90 members to oppose the bill. Yet in the PG that we had here last time, you had 130 members in your corner. Are you concerned, and what action are you going to take for some members who actually voted during the physical vote for that bill? Thank you.
I think this is, I will save the minority leader from having to answer that and say this, and he should be properly referred to as the majority leader. I think as we take stock of the next steps, each party and the coalition as a whole will seek to put their house in order. This bill is not about which side of the divide we come from. It's actually a question for each MP to ask themselves, were you elected by the executive or by the people? Whom do you represent in Parliament? That is something they will have to reckon with the electorate, even as the parties sit within Azimio to ask themselves what course of action, when we get to know the reason for each individual's absence. Thank you.